Hi guys, it's Dakota here, or Planner Mom the Five Boys. Today I decided to do a quick plan with me in my dashboard layout planner using this very cute vertical kit from Savannah Paper Co. I am now a PR rep for her, so if you want to mention my name in notes, you will get my PR freebie. Also, I have a PR code that you can use when there's not a sale. This weekend they are having a 30% off sale. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and please let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye guys!